Back to Savvy Serena. I have a Walmart haul for you today. I got 3 Dr. Thunders, some Fiesta blend cheese. I'm making a baked ziti this week. So I got a couple of set of zitis. My family likes pente. I guess that's how you pronounce it. So I got those. Ground turkey, Alfredo sauce. That's all for the baked ziti. And the chunky garden Italian sauce, and some olive oil because I needed that. Fish sticks for another meal for the weekend for the kids. A couple of more cans of clam chowder. We do those as really quick meals during the week. A bag of sugar, some blueberry cheesecake, some baking powder. My other baking powder went bad, so I had to get some more. Some toilet paper, which I just got the 4 rolls, some ramen noodles, and then my husband isn't feeling too well, so I got some, it's the only ones they had. He likes the menthol flavored cough drops. They only had sugar-free, so I got those. Some antacid medicine for his acid reflux. Some cold and flu formula, daytime, nighttime, because I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. This one's for my husband. It's like the off-brand Robitussin DM. That's what the pharmacist said he can take. I got some Ricolas for me. I think Ricolas are the best cough drop that you can get. I really, really do. I think they soothe better. I want to make sure we're not running a temperature, and our other thermometer went out, so I got another one. These were pretty inexpensive, and my total was $51.25. And then I've got a small little Dollar Tree haul. I got a couple of washi tapes that I got. I'm kind of playing around with decorating my planner, so I've been going to Dollar Tree seeing what I can find. So I got a couple of different washi tapes for that. I got a small thing of creamer. I'm not feeling good today, and I forgot my creamer. I decided to get some orange juice, which is like Sunny Delight, I think is what that's supposed to be, which I like. And it looked on here, and it said vitamin C, 100%. So I'm going to put that in the refrigerator, let it get cold. Hopefully it'll help me with me feeling better. Power stirring fluid. My husband told me to pick it up because the power stirring unit sounded funny. But once I heated the van up, it went fine. So I'm going to leave this in the van just for emergencies. I got a box of tissues. That is a small box of Kleenex. It was only 85 tissues. But I don't know. We'll see. But I figured I'm going to need that because my nose is stopped up. And I also needed a gallon of, well, this ain't a gallon anymore. I don't know, but I needed some bleach. And that was $7 altogether. So this is my Walmart Dollar Tree haul. If you like hauls, let me know below and give me a thumbs up and share with someone you think that would like it. Y'all come back now. You hear?